Well, health experts are warning that Canada's fourth wave of COVID-19 could be the worst yet. And with the start of a new school year in less than 2 weeks' time, well, some provinces are scrambling to reinstate COVID rules that they only recently lifted. So for more, let's bring in Hilary Johnstone as she's tracking the latest developments for us today, beginning with a return of mandates for some provinces, Hilary.
That's right, Michael. So as of today, if you want to go into a grocery store or shopping mall or a restaurant in British Columbia, you're going to have to put that face mask back on. It was only last month that BC dropped its mask mandate, but with the Delta variant and these rising cases, what we heard yesterday from Dr. Bonnie Henry, the top public health official, is that they are bringing back that mask mandate for indoor public places. This is also going to apply to schools when they reopen next month as well. So students in grades 4 and up are also going to have to wear masks, kindergarten to grade 3. It's just going to be encouraged. And what we heard from Dr. Bonnie Henry is that they might revisit this in the fall once that vaccine card that BC is set to introduce, once that comes into play. It's a similar situation in Manitoba. We heard yesterday from Premier Brian Pallister that they're once again going to introduce those indoor mask mandates as well. Again, fears about the Delta variant and what that could mean in the fall. And then if you take a look at Quebec, even though Quebec officials had said that they were hoping to avoid having to have students wear masks in the fall, they now say that that is going to be necessary straight across the province on school buses and when people are moving around in a school setting. And then in 9 regions, including in Montreal and Laval, students are going to have to wear those masks even when they're seated at their desks. But some education advocates say that, yes, masks are good, but we really need to be thinking more about vaccination. Let's listen to one.
I'm reading all the reports. I'm reading all the medical people going, danger, danger, alarm. We're entering a fourth wave. We need to make sure that we're getting everybody vaccinated. Then I'm reading the education policies and going, and it feels as if we're kind of waltzing back to school, as if the crisis weren't continuing. And I don't want to scare everybody or sound like a fearmonger, but I do think it's important that we're listening to the medical professionals and the epidemiologists.
And Michael, what we've heard from officials right across the country is that they're really hopeful that this school year is going to be as normal as possible after 2 disrupted school years. But like we were just hearing from Annie Kidder there are some concerns about what that Delta variant could do in schools as we go into the fall.